Hey girl, got a new setup. Hey, get it. Hey guys, it's Joy here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my home. Yes, a new setup. Yes, new lights, everything. So freaking excited. I am so happy. This looks great. The only thing that's like not great about this is like, yeah, I know you're just gonna be like kind of annoyed with my fucking glasses. Just kind of like, if I took them off, it would be like great. It'll be like, who is she? I need this because like otherwise I'm gonna be blind the whole time. Oh, I'm very grateful. Like pat myself in the back like I did good. Another thing is I am just going to do a light full video today. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. It is one of my favorite hairstyles that I do all the freaking time. I'm gonna be basically showing you how to do it. I don't know if there's like a specific style name for it. Basically, it's like nice and polished and straight and then like slight curls in the bottom. Enough talking, let's just get fucking into it.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh.
well, there you guys go. This is the final look. I absolutely love this look. I wear it all the time. Not on camera recently. I don't know why. For some reason, every time I come on camera, I try something new with my hair. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it was informational for you. I hope it was fun watching it. I enjoyed making it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. Recommend more video suggestions down in the comment section down below. Follow my social media. They'll be right here and also down in the description. I love you guys so much. I love this new setup. I hope you guys do too. Let's continue this journey together. Let's just have one great happy time here. Overall, I hope you guys did enjoy this video once again. I love you guys so much day or night. Whenever you see this, just know I love you so much, and I'll see you guys back here in my next video. Bye guys.